Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to freeze a row in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so if you want to freeze one row or multiple rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, here's how to do it. So we have this project management sheet and we have this project management table cell, and let's say when we scroll down on the spreadsheet we always want to see this project management table cell. Then all we have to do is go to the menu bar here. If you do not see it, you have to click on this down arrow, then select view, then select freeze, and as you can see we can freeze columns and rows, and we can select one row, two rows, and I'm going to show you how to freeze multiple rows, but in this case we have to select one row here. And now as you can see the grid line has been widened a little bit. This shows that row 1 is frozen. So if we scroll down, you can see that we have successfully frozen row 1. Let's undo this action now and let me show you how you can freeze multiple rows. Right, so if you want to freeze multiple rows, here's how to do it. So as you can see, we have this project management table, and if we scroll down, we cannot see the headers. So what we can do is select the row we want to freeze. So in this example, we want to select the headers, and we want to see this header whenever we scroll down, and then all we have to do is select the header or select the row we want to freeze. Then you can click on view again and select freeze, and freeze up to row 8. And as you can see now, row 8 and the column headers are frozen. If we undo this action, I can also show you that if you right click on the row and click on view more row actions, you can also freeze up to row 8 here. So these are your two options. And you can also unfreeze the frozen rows if you want to do that. I have another tutorial on that, but it's really easy to do. But all in all, this is how you can freeze a row or multiple rows in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.